Hi guys, just doing a wee video. Look what finally came today. Look. Hey, lovely thick polythene. 3 metres by 2.5 metres. Excellent. But there's only one problem. I was so happy when it got delivered. And then this happened. Absolute dreadful day. What's going on here? Basically what I've done is I have taken the compost out of that black bin, half filled each one of these, and then filled it up with bagged compost that I bought for the shop. But I'm kind of thinking about this now. You see, I've got this rosette opened that way, but if I do that, then I was kind of hoping that I could get another planter in there, but if that's opening that way, then that's not going to work. So I'm going to have to change it so that it opens that way. But as you can see with my garden, I mean, look, it's just a river down here when it rains. Puddle. And when it really rains hard, the water comes right up to be past where Alfie is. So that's why I really needed the raised bed. But while I'm here, I've got another thing to ask you. When we first moved into this house, the owner, it was October 2019, and the owner thought he was doing us a favour and cut the grass with a fly mower and absolutely destroyed it. I mean, look at it. It's just moss. You've got some bits of this grass, and then you've got bare patches, and then you've got moss and weeds, and the whole lawn is like that. And I don't know what I'm going to do with it. My thoughts were getting some feeding weed, lawn feeding weed, putting it down, trying to kill everything off, and then putting grass seed down. But I don't know. I'll need to research it, need to think about it and everything. So I think I will change the bed so that it opens in that direction, and I can get another wee small bed in there. I'm going to do the grass, keep the trees where they are. I need to fill this black bit here with wood chip. Try and get some wood chip for in there. And I've got my tomato boxes and whatnot, so I'm kind of ready to go. I just need some decent weather. The outlook for tomorrow is supposed to be dry. Whether it's to be sunny, I don't know, but it's supposed to be dry. But if any of you can help me out with my grass, my lawn, tell me what I need to do, tell me how to fix it, I would be very grateful, very, very grateful. Anyway, that's us for today. Thanks for watching, and please, please, please keep safe. Catch you all in the next one. Bye.